Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest social media tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's super useful: how to get to the recycle bin on Facebook in 2025. If you've ever deleted a post, photo, or message and then regretted it, this feature is your best friend. It's like a safety net for your digital content. So, let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a desktop or the mobile app. I'll cover both for you. Starting with the desktop version, which is often the most straightforward. Click on the downward arrow at the top right corner of your screen. This opens a menu. Select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Your Facebook Information section. Here, you'll find Access Your Information. Click on that, and then look for Deleted Items, or Recycle Bin. That's your gateway. Once you're in the recycle bin, you'll see a list of items you've recently deleted. You can browse through them, restore what you need, or permanently delete them if you're sure. On the mobile app, it's a bit different. Open the Facebook app, tap on the three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon, in the bottom right for iOS or top right for Android. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and follow a similar path to Your Facebook Information and Deleted Items. It's that simple. A quick tip: items in the recycle bin don't stay there forever. Facebook usually keeps them for up to 30 days before they're gone for good, so act fast. If you're having trouble finding it, double check that your app is updated to the 2025 version, as interfaces can change. There you have it. Now you know how to access and manage your deleted content on Facebook. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.